Hi everyone, so today I have a trick for you guys. If you also have this type of blinds, then you may be looking for a solution to reduce the noise that they produce when the window is open and when the blinds are down. So the solution is pretty simple. I just came up with that, and because I don't really want to look for some fancy solution and I want to use something that I already have at home, I found this. These are furniture pads which you put on like chairs, and because these are super tiny I don't really use them, so I had plenty of them and I decided to test them out on my blinds, and guess what? It worked. So these actually reduce the noise produced by the blinds significantly, and it's not gonna reduce the noise like 100%, but definitely it's a lot quieter. Like, this is such a quick, easy and cheap fix, and the difference is amazing.
Okay, so all I need, these are furniture pads. This is the smallest size, and as you can see it's brown color, but you can pick like beige or white, whatever you prefer. This is what I have at home. It's from this kit. You can buy it on Amazon. That's where I purchased from, and all I need to do is to take it off carefully. Here is our furniture pad, and this is our blind, so all you need to do is to apply it right here. Yeah, that's where the most pressure comes from, so this is it. It's done. Now we're gonna apply the same furniture pad on the other side. So this is how much noise it makes when it's windy, of course. And here is from the other side. Now it barely makes any noise, but this one still makes some noise. So let's take our furniture pad and apply it the same way right here. Squeeze in so it's all secured, and this is it. That's the most amount of noise it will make. Barely any. Let me know if you're gonna try this method and if it's gonna work for you.
So yeah, this is it. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.